So behind, I know we get time still to go. Maybe if it's there, then we can work from one place to another. Then tomorrow, if the life of the student is yes, I'm David Yaro. I am the head teacher of the school, Riverside Secondary School. It's actually a privilege to host you, and we are very happy that now we are from the old system of the washrooms, the toilet that we had previously, and now we have the new one. And the one we had, the old one, actually it was very bad, very filthy, very untidy, and then it was only just one door toilet that was not very responsible for most of us. And as we see, we have girls and boys in the compound. It was not really favorable for both of them. So you find sharing one toilet room for both boys and girls, it was very hectic. But we do thank you so much, the proprietors and the owners and the founders of the project, that now we have at least a new one. This new one is so helpful and it's very nice, better than what we had before. And we promise that we will work hand in hand at least to ensure that all is done and we keep it safe and clean, and wish that we do more still. And we really appreciate everyone who is involved in the program to ensure that our school is boosted with such a nice toilet. Otherwise, we are so grateful for everyone who participated, everyone who is involved in this process. We thank you so much, and may God bless you abundantly. Thank you so much.